So I saw that this morning. They sent me a note about that this morning. And I thought, I'm going to try it. It can't hurt. I've never streamed twice like that. So that's what I'm doing. So yeah, so if you go to my profile, you're going to see 2 streams. You're welcome to stay on the vertical or the horizontal. It's up to you. But anyways, just giving you an answer there, Lawman, just to help you guys understand why I'm doing that. I'm enjoying the YouTube ecosystem. I got invited to one of their little get-togethers last month, which was a lot of fun. Like I said, I have like this contact at YouTube, so if something ever happens, I got like my own little personal tech support, which is nice. But just trying to see what the vertical offering on YouTube is like. All right, so getting back to the materials, this is new material, right? This was not in last week's deck, so let's talk about nodes, right? Because as I think has become clear to everyone, like nodes are pretty critical in the whole like study of neural networks, right? So again, being open and honest, I'm pulling this from the Tariq Rashid book, right? Very good book. Highly encourage all of you to pick it up. And this is what we're doing, right? We have 2 inputs, a 3 and a 4. There's some sort of calculation that happens in the center, and then there's some sort of output. That's it. That's all it is. If you do this across multiple nodes and multiple layers, you have yourself a neural network. That's it. That's all it is, right? So if you can see that, right? There's inputs, calculations, and outputs.